Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the original BIOS and a dashboard ROM. This is mandatory because Xemu needs the real firmware to boot the dashboard. Once you have BIOS and the 256 KB boot blocks, place them in Xemu's BIOS folder and name files exactly. Next, prepare a real Xbox HDD image or create an 8 GB virtual HDD and format it like an Xbox. This holds the dashboard files. Make sure Xemu is installed with appropriate permissions so it can access those images. Once done, mount the HDD image with a Fanatics-capable tool so you can inject the dashboard files into the correct partitions. This is why a proper dump matters. Copy the original default, XBE and related DLLs into the dashboard directory, and preserve Fanatics timestamps and attributes so the dashboard is recognized. After that, configure Xemu to use that HDD image and ensure the BIOS paths point at the SBL and ROM you placed earlier. This alignment makes the emulator boot exactly like the console. You now boot Xemu and observe the SBL and BIOS handoff. The original dashboard should load if everything matched. If it stalls or shows errors, verify image integrity, confirm Fanatics timestamps, and ensure the BIOS version matches the dashboard expectations. Make sure Xemu has read/write access to the HDD image. If problems persist, redump the HDD using another dumping tool or reflash the correct SBL. This single step resolves most incompatibilities and explains why the dash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.